In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit property in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main dashboard or inside your account where you can access your property settings. This process is straightforward, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment to make updates. From there, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account. The menu gives you access to the different sections of Ownerrez, including bookings, guests, reports, and of course your property settings. In that left side menu, click on Properties. This will take you to the area where all of your properties are listed. If you manage more than one property, this page is especially helpful because it gives you a central place to locate the exact listing you want to update. Once you're on the properties page, look for the property that you want to edit. When you find it, click the drop down associated with that property. The drop down reveals available actions you can take, so if you don't immediately see the edit option, make sure the drop down is fully expanded. After opening the drop down, click Edit this property. That will open the property's editing screen where you can begin making your changes. Depending on what you need to update, you may see different sections for property information, settings, or rules. Take your time here and review the fields carefully so your updates are accurate before saving. You can now start editing the property details. This is the stage where you make the necessary adjustments, whether that's updating information, changing settings, or reviewing existing details. A good tip is to move through the page slowly and double check anything important before finishing, especially if the changes affect how the property is displayed or managed. Once you've finished editing, the next step is simply to finalize your changes. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly scan the page one more time to make sure everything looks correct and complete. That extra review can help you avoid having to go back in and make another correction later. When you're ready, click Save. This will apply the updates you made to the property. After saving, you can remain on the page to confirm the information was updated successfully, or return to the properties list if you need to edit another one. And that's how to edit a property in Ownerrez. As you can see, the process is simple. Open Ownerrez, go to the left-hand menu, select Properties, choose your property, open the drop-down, click Edit this property, make your changes, and save them.